Hello everyone! In today's class we're going to do an exercise about the adverbs of frequency. The first exercise is a positioning exercise. We have to choose the correct position of the adverb of frequency to complete each sentence. Let's start. The first sentence says, he, a horse. Which of the two complements is correct? Sometimes writes or writes sometimes. I'll give you a couple of seconds. You can pause a bit if you want. Let's see the answer, and the correct answer is sometimes rides. He sometimes rides a horse. Very good. Let's see another sentence. They late for school. The options are usually are or are usually. Which one is correct? Yes, it is the second one. They are usually late for school. Very good, let's continue. I very tired. Let's see the options. Am often or often am. The first one is the correct. I am often very tired. Very good. Another sentence. The bus at 7. In this case, here we have three possible complements. Usually arrives, arrives usually, or usually arrive. What do you think is the correct one? Yes, it is the first one. The bus usually arrives at 7. Very good, and let's continue. They angry. The options that we have are sometimes are sometimes, or is sometimes. What do you think is the correct option? Yes, it is the second one. They are sometimes angry. Very good. Another one. The sun in Spain. Always shine. Always shines. Shine always. What is the correct complement? Yes, it is the second one. The sun always shines in Spain. Very good. And let's continue. The children, quiet, are never, is never, or never are. Yes, the correct is the first option. The children are never quiet. Another sentence. We, a mistake. Makes often, make often, often make. What is the correct complement? Yes, it is the third one. We often make a mistake. Very good, guys. And let's continue with a different exercise. It says, rewrite the sentences using the adverb given. For example, number 1, he listens to the radio. We have to rewrite this sentence by using the adverb often. Remember, if the verb to be is not in the sentence, the adverb of frequency will go after the subject. So, let's see the answer. He often listens to the radio. Number 2, they read a book. We have to add to the sentence the adverb sometimes. Let's see the answer. They sometimes read a book. Very good. Number 3, Tom is very friendly, and the adverb is usually. And the answer is Tom is usually very friendly. Let's go for more sentences. Here we have 3 more. Number 4, my grandmother goes for a walk in the evening. And the adverb is always. Let's rewrite that sentence. Let's see the answer. My grandmother always goes for a walk in the evening. Very good, number 5. Ramon and Frank are hungry. And the adverb is often. Let's see the answer. Ramon and Frank are often hungry. Excellent, very good. And the last one, I take sugar in my coffee. And the adverb is sometimes. Okay, let's see the answer. I sometimes take sugar in my coffee. And that's all, guys. We have finished today's exercise. Please subscribe for more content. Thanks so much for watching and see you next class.